Calculate the distance of an object of height h from a concave mirror of radius of curvature 20 cm to obtain real image of magnification 2. Find location of image. By mirror formula, explain why does convex mirror produce virtual image. So here we have so in this question, since virtual image is being produced, magnification is -2 and radius of curvature is -20. So focal length becomes -10 and magnification becomes -v by u. So putting the value of m equals to -2, we get v is equals to 2u. Now using mirror formula, which is 1 upon f equals 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. F was -10, so 1 upon f becomes -1 upon 10, and 1 upon v is 1 upon 2u because v is 2u. So solving this equation, we get object distance as -15 cm and image distance as -30 cm. Now in the second part for convex mirror, by sign convention, f is positive and u is negative. So by using the basic formula, and since f is positive and u is negative, we find that value of v is always positive, hence image is virtual. Thank you.